Welcome, Raja Shivaji. I am pleased to have you at my kingdom. Your Majesty, I come not as a warrior, but as one seeking friendship and understanding. Peace is built on loyalty, not a fight. You have gifted us many times taken our oath. You will be submit and serve under my banner. I will not serve you as a banner. I have my own Swaraj and self rules. The lion may roam in jungle, but before emperor he must bow. You will be treated according to law standing my darbar. If you don't agree with my terms. The Deccan gates from constant war. Now I am seeking for peace. Go guards, catch them and keep them in the prison. Abba can we escape from the Arrest prison? So many guards are here to keep watch on us. How can we reach Swaraj again? Shambhu Bhat, we need to use mindful strategies. What is in your mind, Maharaj? Maharaj, guards are double. How will we ever leave Agra alive? Hiroji, spread the news. Maharaj is not well.
Look front.
And Maharaj want to distribute fruits and some sweets to people. Brilliant, Maharaj. I shall prepare the basket and ensure the guards suspect nothing. Maharaj, soon we will reach Swaraj.
Someone has given me round of applause.
तू मला